In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Button Boost feature in Vocabulary Builder in your AAC app like LAMP, Words for Life and Unity AAC. Button Boost lets you temporarily increase a button's size to support easier, larger movements. Then, as the learner improves their accuracy, you're able to reduce the size. This feature can be helpful when you're introducing a vocabulary system to a new AAC communicator. Let's jump right in. To use this feature, you'll need to make a copy of the vocabulary file. You can learn how to make a customizable copy using the link below. Button Boost is accessed within Vocabulary Builder. This tutorial focuses on Button Boost, but you can learn more about Vocabulary Builder using the link below. Select Menu, choose Vocab Builder, toggle Vocabulary Builder on. Select Hide/Show Words in Vocab. Choose the words you want to show: up, down, go, more. Find the page with the button you want to boost. For this example, we'll use the word Go. Choose Button Boost from the top menu. Select the button you want to boost. Selecting the button again will make it smaller. Each selection changes the size. You can also adjust the size manually by dragging the corner of the button. If boosted buttons are close together, they may overlap. Adjust the size as needed to keep everything easy to see. To return the button to its original size, continue selecting until it cycles back to normal. Select Save, then select Done. To show all words again, select Menu, choose Vocab Builder, toggle Vocabulary Builder off. Select Done to save. And that's how you can use Button Boost to make keywords easier to see and access.